Hi, this is Magdalena from Email Octopus, and today I'm going to show you how to change the maximum sending rate of your emails with AWS. When you sign up for your AWS account, you will generally start with 14 emails per second, but you can easily adjust that down within your dashboard. To do it, go to your profile, click on Account Settings, and pick AWS. Then at the bottom, you'll see the send speed. So by default, we send the emails as quickly as possible, which is the maximum send rate set by AWS. But if you'd like to slow that down, just click here and you can select up to 50% of the max send rate. So all you would do is pick whichever percentage you would like, click Save, and you're all done. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!